I'm typing in the URL first. We will use a demo user as of now. Now here we will have our customer management app. We need to select app from the top right corner, and we will get the control panel for the entire app. So in this app we have the customer management, the product management, the product type management, and order management. On the top menu, you can see there is a customer management where we can see the list of customers, existing customers, as well as we can add a new customer. So this is the new customer screen. We can give a customer code. The address we can type it here. The primary contact person and his contact number. The primary email. And just say save or save and close. If we click save, it will just save and let me allow the same record. If we say save and close, it will close and show the record in my list. So this is the customers list. You can see the records are sorted by ID. I can inverse the sorting order and see the last record is added. The 54th record is showing me the record for Skytech. So this is how we manage the customer. We can go to the next product manager. So in product manager, we will see the list of products. In a page, we can see 5 products at a time by default. We can change it to 15 or 30 or it can be all the records. So as of now, we have 20 records, 20 product records. So if you see, I will take you to one of the records. So V2K validator. So this is how a product record looks like. So V2K validator is for validator 2000, and there are so many orders against it. We can see the bottom. We can see so many orders are there. 5 orders are there which are referring this V2K validator. I can make any change in this and then click on save and close so that I can update the record at any point of time, or I can add a new record just by clicking new. So this is the new record creation screen. Here I can also add some new products for future purposes. Next, I will show the order manager. Order manager is basically for generating an RMA number. If I see, the order manager is already having some of the orders. Now I can basically go inside an order and see the RMA number, or I can basically create a new order when some items come. We have to generate a new RMA number. So I can basically generate a new RMA number. Typically, it is starting with INH followed by our code. So it is the year and month first, followed by a serial number. And if we click save and close, then it will create a new RMA number. Okay, I can select the customer. It can be for let's say Cadillac, and the work type we have to define it here, whether it is a repair work or a calibration work, or it can be a rework also. I'm just not creating a new order now. We will go into the order items next. In the order items, we take a new, or if a new item comes, we have to just select the specific RMA number and select the product what has come. Let's say for PP or pressure transducer, we may not know the exact pressure transducer initially, so we just select the PT and create an order. Okay, the right now the initial status of the item is not available, and when it is received, we will put the serial number here, and then the specific status. So as of now, I am just putting status as NA and saving it. So you can see at the top of the list, this order is there. I can always go to the order and then I can make further changes. So I know this is INH 711135, and then I can change the product to the specific number once I know this has come. I put a serial number. And then what is the receive date? So the receive date can be 2018-01-29 today's date, and we don't know what is the ready date or the ship date, as well as the TAT is not mentioned here. I'll put a email ID also so that it can go to the right person. Okay. Okay. You can see the latest record is updated. Now, if I have to see what all items has come, I have to just select this order item ID. Or I can also select by RMA number. Um, not here, actually. I name 7735.
One more, one more. Top.
You can see there are 5 items under that same RMA number. Now I can either select all of them and send an update to the customer by selecting all of the items and clicking on email. So it will pick up the first email ID, and then it will show that okay, what are the products, what are the statuses. Right now, I will take a template, email template, where I will give us status update of the RMA. So it picks up the subject line as the, it picks up the subject line with the RMA number. That is RMA INH 171135 update, and the to email address is picked up from the data. And then if I click, if you see that the table is there at the bottom, that is having the entire product serial number as well as the statuses. If I have to make some change, I can make some change here. So the email gives an ability to customize also. We can add some lines as well as any kind of, if we want to make it a little bold, those styling can be done. And then even we can highlight, let's say this is the item which we have received only, so we can highlight that. And then send. You'll see that email coming in the Outlook. So this is the email. So we can create as many templates as we want. It can be for sending RMA update or sending the completion status. So I can go to setup, message templates, and see what all templates are there. And I can create a new template also. So I'm basically making a template where which can be used for sending a closure status. I can put some header. This is just like an HTML. We can put some HTML tags inside that. And we can publish it. So whenever an RNA is closed, we can use this specific template. That's all for today. Thank you. For any questions, you can send email to me. Thank you.